What up, YouTube? It's your boy Canadianwaver back again with another video. I know it's been a minute, but we're back. Today, I'm gonna show you how to clean your brushes.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the bruh?
Not like that. I'm gonna show you how to clean your brushes the right way. So stay tuned. We're gonna get right into this AG brush wash method.
Ain't nobody wanna put the time in. I've been in the stool straight grinding. Bitch tryna do me like assignments, dog. Flying the motherfucking pilot, dog. Fucking with the vibe, you could try it, dog. I'm the best motherfucker I can recall. Trust me when I say it ain't biased, dog. Talk shit, you gon' get silenced, dog. Talk shit, you gon' get silenced, dog.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so what you're going to need is a wide tooth and fine tooth comb, some Dr. Bronner's clarifying shampoo, that's what I prefer to use, some gloves, and last but not least, you're going to need a couple towels. To start off, use that comb to remove as much of the hair from your bristles, any other debris that might be lodged in there, whether it be products, dead skin cells, whatever it is, you got to get it out of that brush. This is going to make you fly through the cleaning process because you're not going to be worrying about getting too much of that gunk out of your brush while you start washing it. Once you feel like most of the hair has been removed from the brushes that you plan to wash, then I just set them aside. As you can see, I'm cleaning a hard brush right now, so I want to make sure I'm using a comb that I don't really care about. Switch back and forth between the wide tooth and the fine tooth side of the comb. You want to get out all the hair you can and all the debris from that brush. Make your next step 10 times easier by doing this. Now I'm just going to clean up my workspace a little bit. As you can see, all this hair that I got from my brushes, all this gunk product buildup, I just want to get this out of the way so I can start my next step. Run the bristles of your first brush through cold water, then apply some clarifying shampoo, as I said, the Dr. Bronner's, to the bristles. Just like you're doing a washing style, except you know you don't get the best lather on your first wash. It's going to be the same thing, you're just trying to clean your brush to start off with. This is to get the excess product buildup that you didn't get out with the comb out of your bristles. You want to loosen them up as much as possible, prepare you for the next step, which is the actual wash of your brushes. During this step, I use my hand with the rubber glove just to agitate the bristles a little bit. The gloves help it from getting your fingers too messed up. Once you're done that first wash, you want to rinse the bristles out again with some cool water to remove all the soap that you just added to prepare for the second wash. On the second wash, your brush should be lathering up. If you aren't getting a good lather, your brush is probably extremely dirty. Don't panic. If you're not getting that lather, this means you got to go through that first step one more time to make sure your brush is truly clean. When I've given my brush a visual inspection and see that it's clear, that's when I know it's time to rinse. Once again, I'm rinsing my brush with some cool water, and I try my best not to fully submerge the brush. Now it's time to towel dry your brushes. You want to get as much water as possible from the brushes and the bristles as possible. If you're washing a soft brush, you want to make sure you're being extra careful during this entire process. You don't want to warp the bristles, you don't want to have them all over the place, because then your brush will become useless to you if everything's all warped. Once you think you've towel dry your brushes, it's time to let them dry. I lay my brushes down bristle side on a towel and allow them to dry overnight. To speed this process up, you can set a fan beside the brushes or use a blow dryer on a cool setting. Just be aware, if your blow dryer isn't set to the proper cool setting, you could damage your brushes by applying too much heat to them when they're wet. Alright YouTube, that's the video. Today I showed you how to clean your brushes, how to get the excess hair, product buildup, and any other bacteria out of your brushes. I showed you how you should be drying them properly afterwards so you can get back to using the brushes the way they were intended to be pulling your hair properly. If you learned something from this video, make sure you hit that like button, smack subscribe. If you don't want to miss the next upload, turn the post notifications on. Otherwise, we out of here.